Hi, thank you for being part of my successful journey. And myself, Sai Satish, and you can subscribe to my page at facebook.com/dear Sai Satish. As of now, it's around 2.87k. Thank you. Okay, let us start. So, in this video, I'm going to present you how to use WordPress and what are the useful plugins and how to change the themes. It's a basic tutorial utilizing the WordPress video which I'm going to present you on how to design a website. For example, if you want to design a website, you should learn either HTML5 with some jQuery, JavaScript. Else, if you want to develop a server-side programming language, server-side scripts, it's better to learn PHP or ASP.NET or JSP or servlets and other server-side programming languages. If you want to do simple websites without knowing any single line of programming language, you can use some CMS, content management systems. Example of that is WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. There are millions of youngsters who are searching for the opportunities. And my dear youngsters, don't search for the opportunity. If you can't find it, make an opportunity. Create the opportunities for other people. There are hundreds of people who had already watched my videos and had their own platform, their own path, and they are running very good businesses. Maybe some of online businesses, like they are running some IT companies. Made some website designing companies, and few became bloggers. They are earning very good. This video especially is to for the newbies, those who are not having any type of video, those who are not having any type of background knowledge of website designing of WordPress. And this particular video will be very helpful for you to start your career as a website designer. You can start developing your websites just for, you can charge around 3000 rupees or 4000 rupees or 5000 rupees for the static simple websites, and you can earn instead of depending on someone's money. Let us start. First, let me start and go ahead with the simple website govjobs.info. I have registered this particular website govjobs.info. Now we are going to redesign this particular website and we are going to make it a beautiful website. It's a step-by-step tutorial. If you want to download this video, just go ahead and download from various websites like keepfit.com, or you can also download from YTD, like YouTube Downloader. It's a software you can download, and you can download this particular video and you can surf at your home. Don't forget to pause if you have any issues. Pause the video and watch as many times you can. Let us start the game. First, purchase a domain from godaddy.com or from HostGator. There are plenty of websites do allow you to purchase these type of websites, domains, like you can also get from bigrock.in. Plenty of websites do sell these type of domains. Check the availability, purchase your own domain. For example, I want a domain now. For example, if you want to get a domain, let us check. I want a domain now, whether it's available or not. Yeah, it is available. If you are first time subscriber, you can get it for 200 rupees. They do offer various services. You can purchase .in, .co.in. After that, purchase a shared hosting also from the same website, godaddy.com, or you can go to any of these websites like HostGator or any HostGator. You can go ahead with the share hosting. If you think you have more number of users, you can purchase dedicated servers or VPS. As of now, as a beginner, you can go ahead with the shared hosting. It charges around 5,000 rupees per year from the same website, godaddy.com. After that, install WordPress. Install WordPress. If you're not ASP.NET developer and if you want to do only PHP related stuff, it's better to go ahead with Linux. If you have any ASP.NET projects also, if you wanted to go ahead with some Windows platform programming languages, if you're developing any of those like that, just purchase a Windows server. It's better to choose Linux server if you only target WordPress and redesign this particular website, govjobs.info. The target of this particular website is to post various government jobs related information. Within few months, we are going to update this particular website. As of now, let me post uh, some dummy content to make you to understand how to use or how to make these type of websites. Install WordPress from your hosting account. It looks like the default page, how it is looking. Now we are going to modify all this stuff. Now come to your website /wp-admin. Now you can see your dashboard. Generally it asks us username password to login. What are the username password you have set? Use that username password to log into your WordPress. Now the agenda of this particular session, this particular video is few. Let me show you this. Why WordPress? Unless if you are not a programmer, it's better to use WordPress because it's very simple to install, very simple to use, and it's one of the best CMS, content management systems. And we are going to see how to add pages, how to add posts, and how to apply themes to our website and useful plugins. We are going to see all these stuff in next few minutes. After installing WordPress, come to dashboard, see how it is looking like now. If you are designing a simple website, you must use some pages like you must add some pages like about us, contact us. You can also mention products, services. For example, let us go ahead and make a simple website for a small scale industry or a medium scale industry. The basic pages for that particular industry will be these: about us, contact us, products and services. Even there is a plugin called WooCommerce. With the help of this particular website, this particular plugin, you can sell the products also. Even you can do affiliated marketing with the help of WordPress. There are many plugins available to do affiliated marketing. That means you can sell Amazon products or Flipkart products from your website with the help of those affiliated plugins. Within few minutes, we are going to see some of them. Don't worry. I told you, just pause the video whenever you want. Just continue with that. It's better to practice. Okay, if you want to do practice, just go to the website wordpress.com, sign up with your username and password. You can do, if you have some money in your CC, your credit card, just go to godaddy.com on your net banking. Just go to godaddy.com, purchase a good domain. .in you can get for 200 rupees or 100 rupees also. See here, .in 99 rupees. So purchase a good domain, have a professional domain, have a hosting account, and do all these activities. Okay. Even if you don't have right now, don't no issues. Just learn. After that, you can practice. Products WooCommerce. These are the basic pages what you should have in a website. Let us go ahead and build this stuff. About us. New page. Because about us is a static I'm going to make it about us. About us. We are the team of 50 members working at some company. Let us take my company, Indian Servers, and the profile names, profile 1, Sai Satish, my name, and profile 2, so you can go ahead and make all these about us profiles, and you can choose publish. Page 1 is done. Again, come to new page, contact us, and your address, Indian Servers, India. You can go ahead and publish your address. 2 pages are done. Let me create the last page, new page. If you're a blogger, just go ahead and use a post, because pages generally it will be static. Like the most standard pages, go ahead with the static. There is no much difference between the post and page. But if you're continuously going to post about your job notifications or some university updates or some technical stuff, it's better to use post than the page. Page is the standard things. As per the database point, there is no much difference. Both are going to save in the same records. No issues about that. But as of now, let me create the static pages for these services products. For the posts, you can change, go and post, use a post. Products, like what type of products are you having? School management software and college SMS softwares, bulk SMS softwares, whatever you have, just go ahead and post it. This is the products page, and the last page, services. What type of services that particular company is offering. As we are taking my own company, let me go and post some basic services like uh, website design and training. Actually, we don't do training for the people. Even if you post your comments, for some of the comments I do reply, but it's better to use Google for your most of the questions. Website designing and software development, mobile app development, mobile apps, gamings. We do game development also, and SEO services. With all these services, you can post here. Services. So in total, we got 4 5 pages with contact us, services, products, and about us. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a small, let me see how it looks like. Let me refresh the page. See, nothing is visible now. See, nothing is there. If I post some comment, it will be visible here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a simple menu bar, and all those things will be displayed in the menu bar. So how to create a simple menu bar? Come to appearance, see here, menu is there. Appearance, menu. So let me create a simple main menu. Yep. What type of things should be there in the main menu? All these things should be there in the main menu. Add to menu, and it is the primary menu. Let me save this, and it is saved. Now let me come back to the previous page and let me refresh it. Let us see how it goes. So here you can notice the menu bar. But if you observe, the URL is not good. Page ID is equal to 5, page id equal to 9. It's not looking good, it's not SEO friendly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that permalinks settings. Come to permalinks, choose some post name and save it. Now let me refresh it. You can notice go jobs / products. Earlier it was page id equal to something 9, page id equal to 5. Now the look, black and white look, it's not looking good, right? So let us go ahead and use some theme. Let us apply some theme. Let us change the theme of this particular website. Let us add some logo here. Let us add some background wallpaper. This black, white. Let us change all these colors. Let us make this particular look good. Come to appearance. Come to themes. Here you can choose add new. Thousands of themes are readily available for us now. Thousands of themes. What are the theme you like? Just go ahead and add those. If you like this particular theme, it's looking like professional. Just click on install. Within few seconds, that particular theme will be installed. Remember, the content will be the same, but the appearance, how your website is looking, will be changed. Now the theme is installed. Now let me activate the theme. Within few seconds, this particular appearance will be changed. Before that, this particular plugin also required some sort of additional plugins. Let me go ahead and install those additional plugins. I'll tell you what are those plugins in few seconds. After a few minutes, we are going to discuss about the plugins, the most important plugins you should apply while you're developing a WordPress site. Within few seconds, these plugins also will be installed. Then we are going to refresh this particular website and we are going to see how it looks like. Yep, installing is done. Let me refresh the website. See, the menu background is changed and basic appearance is changed. Let me go to the home page. Yep, the home page is also changed. How about changing this particular images? How to change these images and how to change this particular content? How to change the headline of this widget? How to do all this stuff? Within few seconds, you are going to learn how to do this. Once you learn this, you can start your own website. You can become a freelance developer, freelancing website designer, and you can start earning some basic amounts. See here, come to customize. Here you can see most of the things and you can change from the customize options. Theme settings, logo. If you have logo, just go and upload it. Automatically it will be reflected here. Logo. And there is some constraints like this much height should be there, this much width should be there. Okay, header text also you can change. See here, call me back maybe. You can change here header text. You can mention your mobile number and don't call to my mobile. Let me save and publish it. Automatically it will be reflected in the original website. Let me refresh this. It will be reflected now. So let me go back and let me change these images and let me change how the website looks like. Layout. And if you wish to change this particular images, just go ahead and install some sort of plugins like slider. It's going to recommend you the plugin names also. theme settings, home, the slider. Now install the slider, come back. In your plugins, you can see the slider, the meta slider. Come here. Let me create the first slider. Add a slide. See the dimensions, recommended dimensions. Let me add some basic sliders. For example, let me go ahead and add these sliders, these images as a slide. Within few seconds, it will be shown. Wait for few seconds. It's better to use this particular dimensions, else it will not look completely. Let me save this. Yep, saving is done. Now let me come back to the appearance, customize, theme settings, home. Let me change to new slider. So save and publish. Automatically these images will be saved now. Let me refresh it. These images will be saved. This is how you can use multiple themes in your system, in your website, and you can use all these. Next one, if you're going to do some magazine related stuff, or if you're doing some blogging related stuff related to technology, or if you're doing some notifications related to some job notifications, you can go and use the posts. Post, add new post. Indian Army jobs, job notification. Get the complete job notification, choose publish, and automatically in the down that particular notification will be displayed. Refresh it. You can see the post. Once we click it, it can be viewed completely. The menu bar here, the job notification information. Let me go ahead and do some more operations like adding plugins. See here, this particular, if you want to change this editor, you can use the change editor. Let me go ahead and change the editor. Let me add some more UI. There are many people who keep on spamming your blog with various useless comments. So you can use this particular plugin so that it's going to check for the spam in your comments. Use this plugin, very useful one. You can use Jetpacked also. Let me show you some more important things. See here, there is no social bar here. For example, if you open my website, jobs for EC. For example, just let us go to my website, news.indianservers.com/jobs.ec. There is a social bar in your left side, the total number of shares, the G plus. You can notice a social bar. Now we are going to add that social bar to our new website. How to do that? Click on plugins, add new plugin, and that particular plugin name is Sumo.me. SUMO.me. And don't get confused for various plugins with the same name. Check out the installation base. Check out the installation base. Based upon that, go ahead and install it. Within few seconds, that particular plugin will be installed and you can activate it. Few plugins I want to tell you. Some of the important plugins you should not miss. Yep, Sumo.me is installed. Let me activate this. You can go ahead and install. Free sign up is available. Let me go ahead and log in. Let me enable all these options. Share on, smart bar on, heat map I want to check where the people are clicking. Image share also, it's important. And it's done. Now let me refresh this. You can see a smart bar here. With this you can share things. Very useful plugin. The next important plugin. Now we are coming to the plugins. These plugins will help the basic WordPress website to do more operations, and it's like the same engine with beautiful additional stuff to your website. The first plugin you can go ahead and use is Sumomi. After that, install Google Analytics. Google Analytics. Google Analytics will give you very good information like what type of websites, what type of pages the users are visiting, how they are coming, and how much time they are spending in your computer on your web page. And various very important information will be provided by Google Analytics. So just install Google Analytics plugin and come to Google Analytics site. Google Analytics site. Sign up with your username and password. You will get a simple code. Install that particular code, place that particular code in Google Analytics. From that second onwards, very important information like how many users are there in your computer, on your website right now. Real-time analytics also will be provided. Also, how many page sessions are getting, how many page views are there per day, and what's the age of demographics also provided, from which location they are coming, what's the age of the user. All the information will be provided by Google Analytics. Don't forget to add Google Analytics as well as add your website to Google Webmaster Tools. So this is also very important. There we are going to start an SEO course. We are going to start a SEO course program also. There you're going to we are going to teach you how to get good traffic to your website. This is the second. Next one is Google Analytics. Next gen gallery. For example, if you're having any plugins like if you want to add some photo gallery in your site. For example, let me show you the photo gallery. And again, my website for Bahubali Part 2. Don't ask me why Kattappa killed Bahubali. See here, there's a photo gallery here. Once you click next, this photo will be changed. This photo gallery. Automatically that particular picture is changed. See here. Next. This is a gallery. You can use that particular gallery with next gen gallery. There are many galleries are available. Let me add it. You can choose any of these galleries based upon the installation base and reviews. Just go and proceed. Install very good galleries here. It's 3 lakh plus. So you can use these galleries, okay? If you're having photos. Facebook comments. For example, for few posts, there'll be some Facebook users also can post comments. See here. Facebook comments for the article. So Facebook comments also can be used as a plugin. If you enable this, automatically people can post comments in each and every of your article. You can use Google Maps, ad injection, MailChimp, Yoast SEO, one of the very important plugin. If you want to do SEO for your website, Yoast will give you very good suggestions what to do, what not to do on your articles. Very good one. You can go ahead and install Yoast SEO. These are some of the plugins you should not miss to install your site and change the themes, check various themes, give various new inputs. And how I am expecting you to be is, if you are a newbie, just start with your work with your WordPress, for work with this for 1 2 months. After that, learn PHP and jQuery, start developing your own websites and make some templates, make some WordPress templates, make some WordPress plugins, and start your career as a website designer. And next, we are also planning for the series of skill development stuff, like how about for robotics? What are the resources to choose your career in robotics field? Or if you're a mechanical engineer, what are the good websites you can surf to improve your skill? So various things we are going to concentrate. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel